In this course, we will be designing our mobile application mockup in Sketch 3. Sketch 3 is a robust digital design application for Mac computers that I love using, and I bet by the end of this course you will too. You can learn more about Sketch at their website, sketchapp.com. They offer a free trial. I believe it's 30 days. At the time of this recording, you can buy the app for $99. Though, if you are a student or teacher at an accredited institution, they offer 50% off. You can request that discount from their website. If you're not a student or a teacher, it may be worth doing a quick Google search for a coupon. I think I got my Sketch license for $79 with a coupon. If you don't have Sketch 3 yet, go ahead and download it now, as we will be jumping right into it in just a few lectures. The other tool we will be using in this course is the web-based application called Envision. You can find it at envisionapp.com. Envision is a tool that allows you to bring your mock-up screens together and present them in a way that looks like a real application. You can even send your mock-up to your phone to show others. If you watched the lecture before this one, you've seen some of what Envision can do. They have a ton of features that we won't even be touching on in this course, like collaboration, project management, and file syncing. Envision allows you to have one project for free, so you won't need to pay anything as you work through this course. Go to their site now and sign up so that when you get to that part of the course, you are ready to go.